I got a new work truck. So what is it? It says Mahindra. I thought they made tractors. Oh well. Doesn't look like a Jeep. It's got a winch, steel bumper, 29-inch tall tires, big chunky suspension components, fabric doors, little itty bitty bed. Inside, not much. This one's got air conditioning, transfer case, 5-speed stick, 1 gauge, the keys, and yeah, that's about it. Wiper motors, just chilling. Up front, under the engine bay, big old air filter. I'm told it's a Donaldson. Cute little turbo. Yeah, it's got some of that EGR junk on it. Whatever. Yeah, fuel filter. What's that? Power steering. Frickin' clutch, brakes, coolant. Yeah, everything it's all right up here, easy to work on. Big heavy duty components. Okay, we'll start it up from in here, and then we'll go outside and listen to the tailpipe. Turn that off. Kind of sounds like a tractor. Diesel goes there. It's called a Roxor, made by Mahindra. So yeah, new work truck. Drop your questions, comments down below, whatever.